सनद बिल्डर्स एंड डेवलपर्स घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे फ्लैट prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court, 800 meters from Goa, Maharashtra.
Their ballot boxes and EVMs at respected designated locations. Now all the ROs are in a position to deposit in the strong rooms. There is law and order is well implemented. There is no problem at all. Even our commissioner has visited some of the polling stations and is also satisfied the arrangements made with RO and also people's bank. Okay. Regarding the turnout, the per name turnout, per name municipal council turnout is 91.02, Bicholim 87.96, Walpai 85.50, Kurcheram Kakora 80.24, Kunkolim 76.35, Kanukona 87.07. The overall turnout percentage of 6 municipal councils is 83.19. Similarly, the turnout of City Commissioner Panaji is 70.19 and 9th ward by election Sankli, municipal Sankli is 87.67% and 16 Navelim ZP constituency, the turnout is 57.52% and average percentage of 18 wards of village panchayats which have gone for bipoll is 83.80. So the turnout is quite impressive and people come forward, cast their votes without any problem.
What is the state percentage?
Because these 5 different elections, I cannot combine together because one is ZP election for Navelim, by-election of the municipal council, similarly by-election of 18 municipal wards, CCP election and 6 municipal councils are different bodies. We cannot club together in form. Okay, but overall turnout is good. Because regarding municipal councils, 6 municipal councils, Perne, out of 4,133 electors, 3,853 people have been voted it. Bicholim, out of 12,969, 11,408 people voted. Walpai Municipal Council, out of 6,042 electors, 5,166 people have been voted it. Similarly, Kurcheram Kakora, out of 16,571 electors, 13,296 people have been voted it. Kunkolim, out of 14,544, 11,104 voted it. And Kankona, out of 10,157, 8,844 people have been voted. That means for all the 6 municipal councils, out of 64,516 voters, 53,671 people have been cast their vote, leading to 83.11%. Ternam has highest turnout, that is 91.02.
As per the reports received by the Commission, only one COVID positive patient in Walpai Municipal Council exercised his right to vote. No, rest all it is 0.
No, basically, this briefing is for poll day details only. So, any other details will be informed by the commissioner.
Through press.
Counting as per schedule. No, this briefing is only for poll briefings.
Nothing is decided yet for counting.
No, again, I would say the same thing. This is for poll day and all details, that data that we have got about poll day, that is 2 days.
The counting is not yet confirmed.
No, see, please, the notification clearly specified it. Okay? Already Supreme Court given a verdict, you people are aware it. And whatever the notification issued, whatever is prevailing, that is what's good today, as and today.
But as in code of conduct is removed from 5.
Yes, no, notification issued, no? Notification issued, no?
Notification is
Issued, already issued it.
So the entire process of those 5 municipal councils is null and void. Yes, yes. Price schedule will be announced by the this. That we will inform you. Separate this notification will be issued for
For remaining 5 municipal councils, separate schedule will be announced it, that will intimate you, that will be notified. No, see, as on today, what is prevailing, we are going to tell. Yes. No, see, commission will take a decision and inform the people accordingly.
Sir, any numbers like how many COVID positives?
One.
only one in Walpoi Municipal
Voters
Council.
were there.
See,
That statistic is there.
no, see, what we are having, how many COVID, we are already specified 1 hour. Between 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. is meant for COVID positive cases. People can come and vote it. Already BLOs already collected the data, but only one positive person has come at Walpoi and casted in their vote.
In entire process, no? Palika Panchayat.
Of 6 municipalities.
Municipalities.
Whatever the information received as a now by the ROs, who are sent by ROs, we compared it, we are given the briefing according to the information received from the concerned and respective ROs.
So, on Monday there will be no counting.
No, who said that one? No.
No, there is counting.
See, I am telling to you, please understand it. No, please understand it. Already prevailing notifications are there. As per the notification, the schedule, it will go. Because as per the whatever the notification issued as of now, whatever the prevailing notification, that will continue. Only he said, already mentioned it, that the 5 municipalities have been null avoid. Okay, that is. No. See, I am telling to you. See, there is no change. So what is the worry? Wherever we can give notifications, 4th March notification been set aside. So the 5 municipalities counting is not there, and election will be null avoid. We will start again fresh process. The schedule will be communicated to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.